Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Offbeat Nomad. So today we are going to explore one of the beautiful town in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. That's Kalakad. Kalakad is situated near Western Ghats, so it has a lot of beautiful places near around. But today we are specifically going to one of the least explored waterfall in Kalakad. That's Tanga Urli, and mostly the near around people only know about it. So let's check it out about this place. On the way to Tangaurli, we found this beautiful place. It's really looking beautiful, and I think it's a very good for photography. And behind the lake, there is a mountain which added more beauty to this place. So if you are planning to visit Tangaurli, make sure to give some time over here also. The reflection of trees and mountains in the lake is adding more beauty to this lake. It's really looking awesome from here, and I'm not sure how much camera is doing justify, but make sure when you're planning to visit to Tangaurli, you just stop here and check it out this place. So we are now continuing our journey to Tangaurli waterfall. We have parked our bike over here and we are going inside. So from here it will take only 5 minutes to reach Tangaurli. So let's check it out. So we have reached Tangaurli waterfall, but we are in upper side of Tangaurli waterfall. So we are just taking this video and we'll go downward towards the fall. So let's go. So this is Tangaurli waterfall, and no one is there in and around near waterfall. There's also some beautiful sculpture in the rock you can able to see here. Created a date back. Exactly, the people here also don't know when it was exactly created. People here told me it's a off season, because of that water is less. If you come on season time, water may be more and you can't able to see near around rocks also. Outside climate is so hot, but water is so cold, and after enjoying in waterfall we plan to go to another place we saw on the way. It's one dam. People here told me the name of the dam is West Pachar Dam. From entrance side the gate is locked, so we can't ride a bike from there. So we have to come to the end point of a dam and we can ride the bike over here. And this is West Pachar Dam. Water is so less in dam now. Maybe in a season it may full. I'm not sure about this, but this place is looking very cool and it's a good for hangout. Or location is so beautiful, you can come here for hangout, for photography, for videography. It's really good place, but make sure to come in the evening or in the early morning. Don't come in the afternoon, it's very hot here. From Kalakad bus stop, there is a bus available to Pachiyar Dam. So from Pachiyar Dam, you can easily go to Tangaurli. It will take another half an hour walkable journey from Pachiyar Dam to Tangaurli waterfall. I will share all the location details in the description, and we'll meet you on another beautiful video. Until then, bye, take care. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.